Welcome to New Music Friday. Dancehall artist Charlie Blacks will be flying the Jamaican flag high this weekend at this year's CONCACAF Gold Cup. The party animal is featured on the theme song Juega, translated play.
Charlie, them think them better than we, but they're not better than we. We never talk with us, let what words speak for we. Show love to everybody, we unite everybody. Champions from the heart, now it's reality.
The song is a collaborative effort between Charlie Blacks and Colombian brothers Cali and El Dandy. El Dandy co-produced the major hit by Louis Fonsi. Charlie Blacks took to Instagram where he posted these photos from the official music video shot at David Beckham's Inter Miami CF Stadium in Fort Lauderdale. The 2021 CONCACAF Gold Cup is scheduled to kick off this weekend in Miami. Now, dancehall DJ Jahvillani today dropped his long-awaited debut album, Dirt to Bentley. The 13-track project, released via VP Records, is said to be a triumphant expression of Jamaica's youth-driven dancehall. The title track, Dirt to Bentley, which features Cranium, tells the story about their rise from humble beginnings to their successes. The album also boasts collaborations with Skilly Bang, Prince Wani, Trance, among others, and favorites Scheme, Journey, and Javi 316. Jahvillani is known for the breakout dancehall anthems Wild Side Government and Brand New Clocks on Foot. Now, dancehall artist Busy Signal today released a new single dubbed Otada. The track is produced by Music House Entertainment and shows the artist delivering some hardcore lyrics on the party anthem. An accompanying animated video was also released in which Busy Signal takes on the role of the protagonist, ladies' man wooing his lost interest.
Otada! Hey, what are you? Otada!
Your body looks so right and plus your shape so nice. And your body full of body sex appeal.
Otada is available on all streaming platforms. Now, Fame Frequency Summer Series this Saturday presents Uni Out as we invite recent university graduates to celebrate their milestone on the show. Get your grad hats made and party on RETV and Fame 95 FM at 9 p.m. Then right here on TVJ at 10:45. I'm Deidran reporting for E! Prime. Have a nice weekend. Be safe.